Hi friends, welcome to Tech Blog. Myself Subrato, and today we are going to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Visual Studio Code is a free source code editor made by Microsoft for Windows, Linux, and macOS. It has exclusive features of debugging, syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, snippet, code refactoring, and embedded Git. Also, it has thousands of plugin support, which makes Visual Studio Code very popular. And it's one of the widely popular code editors that are highly used by full stack and front-end developers. The main reason behind its popularity is that it has everything which any programmer expects from any editor, with some additional and useful features. Its lightweight, fast, open source, and cross-platform nature, along with other cool features, give it an extra edge over any other editor. As per the Stack Overflow survey 2019, it has almost 51% share. That's really impressive. Let's go and install Visual Studio Code. I'm going to log into my system, and I'm just jump over the Firefox here, and we are going to open it up and type in around Visual Studio Code. Here is the search result. I'm gonna open up this link, and you can see here it suggests me the download package as per the system I use. Go over download here and you will see the package for all platforms. And of course, we are not going to download package from here. Actually, we are gonna do this from terminal. There is another way to install Visual Studio Code through SnapCraft package. Go and open up a tab aside and type in snapcraft.io and then search for Visual Studio Code and go. Here it is. Snaps are self-contained software packages that include the binary and all dependencies needed to run the application. Snaps are discoverable and installable from the Snap Store. I'm gonna show you both method of installation in this video, so keep eye on this video till the end. I'm gonna go over my launcher icon and click on it, and I'm going to type in terminal, and I'm going to start the terminal application. First thing is first, update your package list. Go ahead and type in sudo apt update and then hit enter. So now it's prompting me the password for root. I can just go ahead and enter that and press enter. Now install software properties common. Go ahead and type in apt install software property common and hit enter. This software provides an abstraction of use apt repositories. It's allow you to easily manage your distribution and independent software vendor and software sources. You can see here I already had this. Now go ahead and import Microsoft GPG key using the following command. You can find all the command sets I use here in the description section below. And now add the Visual Studio Code repository. Go ahead and type in following command. At this point, I am able to install Visual Studio Code into my system. So go ahead and type in sudo apt install code and then hit enter. We'll give that a period of time to finish the installation. Well, at this point we had the code completely installed into my system. Now go ahead and jump over the launcher icon and type in code. Here it's open it up. You can open up any of your project folder and enjoy your coding. As we discussed at the beginning about SnapCraft, basically it's another way to wrap up an application in a container. It's really very simple to install. Go ahead and type in sudo snap install -- classic code and then hit enter. Go and type in password for root. Snap packages are easy to upgrade and secured. Unlike the standard deb package, Snap have a larger disk footprint and longer application startup time. It's take a while to complete the download depending upon your internet speed. I'm gonna speed up the clip and finish the installation. At this point we had code as SnapCraft package. Go ahead and jump over the launcher icon and type in code and open it up. Open up the folder. And one thing you notice here is that EFI system partition for Snap container package. Hope this video helpful to you. Please do like and share this video. Leave comment if you have any question. Also click on subscribe button to encourage us and get latest update. Thank you.